ക്വിക്ക് റിവ്യൂ മത്സരഫലം അറിവാകുന്നു. തേർഡ് പ്ലേസ് ലെറ്റർ കെ മുഹമ്മദ് റാസി CP ടീം വാദി റഹ്മ ബി ഗ്രേഡ് 4 points. Second place letter Q Suhail Tayakod team Wadi Rahma A grade 7 points. And the first place letter D Saeed Perindatiri team Wadi Rahma A grade 8 points. തുടരുന്നു letter D. Letter D on the dice. Topic Ihya Ulumuddin Imam Ghazali and psychological approach.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. All the praises be upon Allah Almighty. Let His salutations, His great things of peace be upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, His great ancestors, all His entire companions and households, and all of us. Ameen. So it's been a while since our last gathering. So as we said in our last gathering, the topic which we will be discussing today is about one of the most important topic which we have to be discussing nowadays, Ihya Ulumuddin, Imam al-Ghazali and his psychological approach in his great text. We know Imam al-Ghazali, who is the very famous Islamic scholar. His intellectual work is known as the Quest of Knowledge, and he turned into a new revolution in the science of Islam. We know he is known as the proof of Islam, Hujjatul Islam, because his excellency in Islam, his excellency in his ilm is a relevant topic which we are discussing today. That is why he is known as the proof of Islam, Hujjatul Islam. His great book was Ihya Ulumuddin, which discusses various spiritual aspects and psychological theories. Even the modern science and modern psychology have referred to the book of Imam al-Ghazali, Imam Ihya Ulumuddin, for their theories and for their quest for knowledge. We can divide the Ihya Ulumuddin by various psychological aspects. Various concepts of modern psychology is integrated here by the great Imam al-Ghazali in his great text. Now we refer to his book. The first one is he's discussing about the nafs. The self-mind is our major problem of each human beings which we living nowadays. I am the best. I am the only one. I am very selfish is the most important and the negative thing that the human beings have nowadays. This is a great negative thinking that the Imam al-Ghazali redefines this nafs al-mutma'inna and nafs al-mutma'inna and nafs al-mutma'inna wa lawwama wa nafs al-amara. They divided the entire nafs into three categories. They defined the nafs into three categories and discusses these three aspects very widely in this kitab. The second one is intellect and reason. For a student or for a person, intellect is a major reason for his studying, for gaining his major achievements in his life. Imam al-Ghazali defines the intellect as a major thing that a human being must need to success in his life. The third one is emotional intelligence. A human being has various emotions. They have anger, they have happy, they have enemy to his friends, they have jealousy to his believers, his co-friends. These are emotions by human psychology. Human mind is addicted to these emotions. One human must relieve from these emotions for the successfulness of his life, even in dunya and akhirah. The fourth discussion of Ihya Ulumuddin psychological aspect is spiritual illness and remedies. There are various spiritual illness for a human being. We know we are very addicted to the spiritual illness, like the person has a thought to show the ibadah to the other friends, and he thinks that he is the best one among them. These are the very important spiritual illness a person caught. So Imam al-Ghazali defines that they must avoid from the persons, and it is a form of shirk. It is a form of shirk. The fourth one is the integration of spirituality. Not the Ihya Ulumuddin is not a book which discusses only the psychological approaches. It discusses the spirituality also. A spirituality is the most important thing a person wants in his life for the successfulness of his life. Spirituality is the most important thing he must keep in his life for even successful in his akhirah. The fifth one is cultivation of virtues and mindfulness and self-relaxation. We must addicted to various problems in our life. Our life is full of deeds and words and sorrows and happiness. So while giving happiness in our life, we must do not happy entirely and we must sorrow downly. We must balance these emotions, care, and we must balance happy and sorrow as the two sides of a coin and two sides of a life. We must integrate these two emotions in our life. The fifth one is community and social support. We humans are the social animals. We must depend on others for social enemies. So we must consider others, we must love others, we must help others, we must live for others, and let Allah grant us every form of goodness. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Senior allocation English has ended. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, വേദി 2 ഉടൻ ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. ജനറൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി